Dear students, yesterday we did system softwares and today we are going to do application softwares. Application software, it is developed by the programmer in order to perform specific task. The application softwares can be categorized as general purpose application software, specific purpose application software and the customized software. Firstly, general purpose application software. General purpose application software are designed to meet the need of the individual or organization. These types of softwares are also known as the packages. Some packages are firstly word processing software. Word processing software help you to create structured text documents. For example, MS Word. Electronic spreadsheet. Electronic spreadsheets are the programs which help to perform the calculation. For example, MS Excel. Presentation softwares. These softwares help to the create and display the slides. For example, PowerPoint. Database management softwares. These softwares helps you to store and manage large amount of information of any organization. For example, MS Access. Desktop publishing packages. DTP packages can be combined both text and the graphics feature to design the professional document. For example, PageMaker. Multimedia software. It is used to create and play videos, animations, sound, graphics and the text with a high degree of the interactions. For example, Window Media Player. Secondly, specific purpose application software. These are developed by the programmer to perform only specific task. Some specific purpose application software are: first one, accounting management. Accounts management are the softwares which store and manage account transaction. Tally is the most popular accounting software in the India. Next one, reservation system. Reservation system store essential data and operate on the customer related transaction online. For example, makemytrip.com. Some other specific purpose application software are attendance system, school inventory control, HR management software, payroll system, billing system.